Hey, welcome to birthday parties. Today we have a red winged blackbird feasting at the feeder. This is I believe it's a cake box. The bottom part of it that we are using as a bird feeder. This is a good tray to use. We prefer disposable, recyclable bird feeder trays. It's more sanitary. It looks like something's going on. The blackbird is hearing something that caught his attention. Stop eating. If you notice, there's actually a dove below the bird feeder there, kind of waiting patiently for the blackbird to move off so that he can eat as well. But for right now, the blackbird is not moving, and he's just sitting on the table enjoying himself. And later on, both birds here will be surprised by a special guest. Can you guess what it may be? We'll find out here shortly. If you notice the blackbird, it also has a shorter beak. So those are built for opening seeds, more power, as compared to like a blue jay, which has a longer beak, or even a dove. Oop. So here's a special guest, our furry friend, Mr. Squirrel. He also enjoys sunflower seeds. And I haven't seen a squirrel dining with the birds together on the bird feeder. So if you have that experience, please let me know. Alright, fast forward a little bit. Eventually the squirrel will climb up onto the tray, and he's just eating away. You hear that screeching sound? That is actually the sound, I believe it's of a red-winged blackbird. Probably in protest that the squirrel is taking its place on the feeder. Is this a male or female squirrel? Let us know in the comments if you know, or if you can identify them. Nope, something caught his attention. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit a like. And thank you for watching. Take care.